Yo boys, today I'm going to explain this absolute cheat code for AI prompting. Now, we're all absolutely sick of AI slop, but I can literally guarantee that you're going to get insanely better AI outputs in just a few minutes with this hack. So the problem isn't the AI itself, and honestly, sometimes it's not even your prompt. The real problem is that you're not giving it enough context. But AI forgets the context you give it super duper fast, and retyping it every single time is insane. So instead, what you want to do is use something called context profiles. This lets you add detailed context in literally seconds. It's basically just a JSON file that contains context about whatever you want. You can make one for your YouTube channel, your business, your product, or even yourself. Now, you can fill these things in two main ways. Number one, ask an LLM to interview you. Number two, use AI frontrunners, which makes creating, filling in, storing, and injecting these profiles way easier. All right, so I'll just show you real quick how you can quickly make and fill in some context profiles. I'm just going to go into frontrunners and grab this schema I found and then click add new profile. Click I have my JSON ready. Now I'm just going to paste the schema in. For this demo, I'm just using this SAS I found by Jack on Twitter. First, I'll ask the agent to ask me questions in batches for each category. The goal right now is to briefly fill in the context profile. We'll come back to it later with some more info to add more detail. Now I have my profile filled up with brief but specific answers. I'm going to capture his landing page now with this extension. Now using the schema and landing page, I'll go into ChatGPT and have it do some product research for me. I'm going to drop the files in along with this meta prompt, which is just a prompt that makes another prompt to make a specific deep research prompt for the product. By the way, if you want the meta prompt, just join the Telegram in the description. I share all of the source over there. Now that we've got the deep research prompt, we'll turn on deep research mode and paste the prompt in. Now we let it cook. All right, GPT finished the research and it looks great to me. Now I'm going to paste this into frontrunners and fill my offer brief profile with it. And now I'm going to use the offer brief profile, research doc, and business context to fill out the ICP profile. The use cases for this are absolutely insane, boys. For example, I can remix any viral video and make a high-performing script that promotes my product. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to make a Claude project. By the way, Claude is hands down the best LLM for copywriting. I already pasted a prompt in the instructions section for it to write good copy. This is also in the Telegram if you want it. Then I'm going to add in all my files for PostBridge. Now I'm going to grab the transcript of this video about balding by Alex Costa. Going to tell Claude to make something similar, but it gives new creators tips on content creation and plugs PostBridge at the end. Paste in the script and let it cook. It's finished and the outputs are pretty good. It made all these variations in just a few seconds. So yeah, boys, I used to do this when I was experimenting with short form content, but the use cases for context profiles are many. Anyways, thanks for watching, boys. Subscribe and join the Telegram for more sauce. Peace.